What's good, Ghost Gang? It's your boy, Ghost Fighter. You know what it is, 2 T's. Back with another informative video. I just want to let you guys know we're on our way to 4,000 subscribers. Make sure y'all hit that sub, that like, and make sure y'all leave a comment. I like when you guys react when I do stuff funny, no matter what it is, man. I enjoy you guys. We're going to get right on into this unboxing without further ado. I'm going to tell you all the qualities, read what the box is like, and tell you about these earbuds. I'm going to give you the pros and the cons. So let's get right on into it. So with the box presentation, the box that it comes in, it's kind of cool how they got the power chrome look on the front of the box. You see the side view. It gives information about it. You see the back. Everything seems to be like it's going to be pretty good, right? So I'm going to tell you the price point these were, where I got them from, and how they perform, because I already kind of pre-did this before doing this video to kind of let you know. You know when they're going to be in the video. You can go by. So, with that being said, I'm going to read off the qualities that it has. Now, this is what this Bass Jack company says. It says Power True Wireless Earbuds, and it's by Bass Jack. Okay, so I'm reviewing them. I don't know if they're gonna try to copyright claim, but I'm doing my due diligence to give you guys the best information for this review as possible. So it's by Bass Jack, and it almost looked like they try to use a logo like Beats logo, but whatever, here nor there. Playtime, it says 20 hours. Bluetooth 5.1. I'm not sure if that's a real thing or not. Bluetooth range, it says up to 32 feet away, 32.8 feet away to be exact. And then on the other side it says Bass Jack on the other side. It says high quality. Then it says light and comfy. They definitely are light and comfy. And it says power bank function. So somehow it's a power bank function. And then if you look on the front of it, it gives a presentation of it and shows down in that bottom left hand corner. This little battery pack has over 1,600 milliamps of power, so maybe that's what they're getting, how long it can stay charged before you need it again. And you can use it shows even an iPhone over there, so it's probably, you can use it for an iPhone. It probably links up really well. Now that I give you the presentation, we'll do the unboxing, get right into it, kind of show you what it looks like. Okay, so of course you get the mini HDMI. Okay. Nothing else in the box. I know people like to know, what's in the box? Did you forget anything in the box? No, I'm kidding. Let's see. Then it has the direction where it shows all what comes with it. Okay. And I showed you the HDMI. And then here is the box that you're gonna get. So right off the bat in the front, I haven't never seen it have a 2-plug setup. I guess there are headsets out there, wireless earbuds that have a headset, but you take a little clip. That's what the inside looks like. And it's not like no retractable thing. You gotta put it down yourself. So when you open it, that's what it look like, and they lay in there. I'll show you the back of it, and I'll show you the bottom. It says made in China. And that's a mini HDMI, then USB. So far so good. It doesn't seem that bad, right? So here are the earbuds. Look like they just bit right off of the AirPods. They're about as small as them, and you can take it and I think this one. It magnetics right into it. So at this point you're thinking, okay, these things could be a hit, right? And then you take this one. Now, both of them work. See that charger, you gotta manually close it. So now, at this point, I've already taken them out of the box, reviewed them, put them on my head. They're very comfortable. The sound quality is got bass in it. It actually got bass in the sound quality. So those are two good things. I was like, okay, this could be a hit. I wasn't deterred by that. So with that being said, what you will notice is inside of this little compartment, there is a left bud. See, that fits in there real nice. And there is a right bud. You guys can kind of see what they look like on my ear. I don't have really big ears, so you kind of can see what they look like on my ear. Okay. Now, with that being said, you see the display box. You see it's pretty nifty, nice and compact, but it's big like this. This box is this big only because it's got 1600 milliamps of battery life to keep these things charged up. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna take this left one and I'm gonna stick it back onto the charge station, okay? All right. Now, here's the part that is the dilemma. My daughter's looking at me right now because she already knows. She like already got an idea of what I'm about to say. I got these from 5 and Below, okay? If you have one of those in your area, go check it out. They have some really, really great stuff in that store. Go check out 5 and Below. You can get all kinds of awesome gifts in that store. So I gave you price point. Well, I gave you the store. Here's the price point. These were roughly about $5 and some change. All right. So now, with that being said, that they're roughly $5 and some change. I don't know how many of you guys think you're gonna go in a store that's called 5 and Below and get something of this nature, being a Bluetooth. With how expensive Bluetooths are, AirPods. I've seen people pay $50, $90, depending on the type, make, and model. But we're talking about these particular one by this particular company. Only one earbud works. Now, that shouldn't scare you away. They're $5, so you gotta think you're paying only $5 for these. You're not getting cream in the crop for $5. So what they did was they gave you excellent sound quality in only the right ear. The left one is, if you can get past the fact that you're not gonna really get left ear sound out of the left ear one and it's just for show inside this little container, you can pull it off. There's somebody thinking you have some really nice earbuds. You could not care at all, but I'm just letting you know after my review of doing this review of these earbuds that I'm gonna just step out there and say it. They might copyright claim me, but Bass Jack, you gotta stop lying to people. I don't know what business y'all running, but you can't get somebody an AirPod that doesn't work on one side and the other side works. You should be telling that on the box. Only one AirPod works, because I didn't read anything on this where it says for the specs for only one earbud working. Okay? That concludes the video. You guys, if you want a pair of these and you're okay with just having one ear in because you're working, you're moving around doing stuff in the yard, and you only want to use the one right ear, that is the con to this. But it sounds amazing in the one ear. I'm giving these actually to my daughter because she's, works in a classroom with kids and she's moving around and doing stuff. So she might want to have one in her ear to listen to some music while she's got her kids, putting them to nap time or whatever the case may be. I made this video already longer than it needed to be. I love you guys. God bless y'all. 5 and Below, $5 and some change. Very awesome sound quality. Everything about it is awesome other than you really only get the one right here. Your choice, you make it. Go say 2 T's. I'm out.